Hello, hello. Welcome to the life of a village girl with makeup blindness. Just kidding. It's gonna get better, trust me. Anyways, let's stick to why we're here. Welcome to another West Kiss hair review. Hey guys, Ivy here at my workstation, plugging the girls, of course, to the best wigs in the industry. First off, I don't know if I look weird without my lashes. I wanted to use my natural lashes today, but I don't know what I look like. Just put on some false lashes. Or not. So much for wanting to take the natural route. So let's just get straight into the order of the day. This, as usual, is a hair review, because I'm bringing you the best. Today's own is from West Kiss. Today's hair is from West Kiss. And if you check my channel, you see that I've done a hair review for West Kiss before and it was so amazing. So I cannot wait to try this one. Even though it's almost kind of like the same. And yeah, forgive my robe. I'm actually a bit cold, so why am I telling you to forgive? We're going to start with the goodies as usual. So we have a silk bonnet, and this color is so cute. A melting band, wig cap, edges brush, lashes, a dust bag, Especially those who follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I know a lot of you are waiting for the gist. You know what I mean by the gist. Because of course I'm having a baby. But that gist will come soon. So stay tuned. Stay plugged into my channel because you don't even know which of the videos is going to have the tea. Oh. And the hair itself. See, one thing I love about West Kiss. Get into it. Are you seeing that? The hairline, the parts, the everything. So this is a kinky curly wig and mine came in a medium cap size because my head is big. Actually, it's not that big. It's like medium. It's like the average size. Whatever. So yeah, an undetectable HD lace. Well, we'll put that to a test. And the hair came in 18 inches as well. Here, have a better view. The cap details. This is what the cap looks like. It has 3 pins to secure your wig. And this adjustable strap with the anti-slip thing. I still don't know what it's called till now. Still don't know what it's called. This hair is giving me so much joy. The first thing wait, let me smell this hair first. Okay, actually it doesn't have that weird wig smell. Maybe just a little bit. Just a little bit. But it doesn't smell too bad. I feel like it kind of like tried to make it smell nice because it kind of smells nice. But it has this factory smell a bit. But it's not a bad smell at all. So I'd advise that when you're tinting your lace, don't use your foundation shade. It's better you use your contour shade, right? Or you use like the shade that's closest to your forehead. Your foundation shade might be too light. Let's get into the fact that I braided my cornrows myself. I feel so proud. This is not bad at all, but this hairline is not really sitting well with me. I mean, obviously the hair came pre-plucked, but this hairline is not my hairline. This hairline is not the hairline for me. I don't think it flatters my face. Or maybe it's just because I know what my hair looks like, so. The lace doesn't really need much melting at this point because it blends in very seamlessly. But I'm gonna take it a step further to make it melt into my skin. Cause I don't wanna be seeing the lace itself. So. Well, the good thing about melting sprays is that it's very easy to come off. It just comes off with water. Why the hell did I say what I said the way I said it? It just comes off with water. So it's very easy. Why am I just here in my bathroom cracking myself up alone? So yeah, not only did this hair come pre-bleached and pre-cut and pre-plucked, the hair also came, should I say pre-styled? I don't know, but I know that they laid the edges flat with a hot comb. So that's good. That's a very good bonus, you know. So yeah, the melting spray is dry, so I'm just gonna use my melting band now. And the reason why we don't use the melting band until the melting spray is dry is because you wouldn't want your melting band to glue to your lace, you know. It's just gonna be messy when you're trying to take it off. And yeah, I have a question for hairstylists. Why is it that when you want to melt your client's lace, or anyone's lace in fact, why do you always tie the melting band too tight to the extent that they cannot breathe? And it's like you're cutting off the blood circulation in their head. It doesn't make any sense. I don't feel like that's just like, it's not really going to do too much, to be honest. Just make sure that the band is tight enough and secure. You don't have to kill the person. Well, thank goodness I'm sitting in front of a sink, so I feel like at least the water can reach me. And yeah, I had to put on a robe because I don't want the water to pour all over my body, right? I don't want to get wet, please. So this is how we do it now, the ghetto style. So I'm just gonna do like, I'm going to show you how it's look. So I'm going to show you how the hair looks drenched. Not really drenched, but like wet, very wet. And then I'm going to comb out this side, show you how it looks dry. And it's so soft. Oh my god, like see. Tangle where? I think this is good enough too. This is a curly hair. It's bound to shed at least just a little bit. A little is okay, a lot is not. Rhyme! This is nice. Sit you down on a beg. What is life now, guys? But you reach for Instagram. Oh man, no day for Instagram. See? I don't know if I want to even trim this hair anymore. I feel like I want to leave it like this. I probably shouldn't have, to be honest. You see this hair? This hair is going nowhere. Like this hair is secured.
When all day dedicated 18 hours without breaking, not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing.
And do not forget that this hair is from West Kiss, so you know where to cop yours.